Our final award is the Customer Choice Award. All of the solution providers are eligible for this special honor. The winner was chosen by you, our AM community, and based solely on your votes today. Will it be a new machine, material, software, measurement and analysis? What do you think? Could it even be one of the startups? Well, the demonstration with the highest audience score is AM Flow, with the demo jam titled Regaining Control of Your Production with AM Post-Processing Automation. Joining us to represent is Carlos Zwicker. Carlos, congratulations.
Well, thank you very much there, Debbie. That's an amazing result. Very proud. Considering all the great winners I've just seen before me, double winner with Intellegens, being in this lineup makes me also very proud. Thank you very much for everybody who has visited the Tech Forum today. A great, well-organized setup, and receiving your votes from the viewer, from the end user, from basically the market, which is basically validating us in the way that we're looking at how we can contribute to making additive manufacturing not just a promise, but in reality a great success. This really supports, and we're hugely proud for this recognition, and I have to not just thank everybody out there, but also everybody, although it's empty because it's pretty late out here in the Netherlands, but everybody in internally in the team who've made this possible, and to bring this technology out in the market at a time maybe a bit on the early side. It's picking up, volumes are increasing, but we believe that automation, post-processing automation or workflow automation is no longer something as a nice to have. It's a must-have to make additive manufacturing, as I said in my presentation, be competitive, be out there, and to basically be as disruptive as possible or competitive as possible in the existing market. Once again, very, very grateful for this prize. Very proud that we have achieved this as a relative startup, a couple of years old. And again, just echoing stuff that's been said before, what Stephen said, we would love to get to know you guys even better. So do please reach out. Have a look again at the presentation, and if you've got any queries, feel free to connect with us, and we gladly talk you through whatever we can do and what we hope to be able to do in the near future. Once again, Debbie, the ASME team, everybody, thank you very much for this, making this possible.
Thank you, Carlos, and congratulations. There actually was a little bit of a tie here, and so your company won by the most votes. So you had the most votes for AM Flow. So congratulations, and we're just so glad to have you here. Let's bring all of our winners back on stage again, and we'll have a virtual round of applause from our audience. What a great lineup of stellar folks here. So pleased to have you here today. So we look forward to seeing all of you at our next event and seeing your next innovation as well. And we thank you. ASME is very proud to be supporting the additive manufacturing community and bringing all of this to the industry today. And if you happen to miss anything, you know that these are on demand for 90 days. So come back, do a little more of a deep dive, send some questions to our companies, and see what you can find out and how that fits into your production. So we invite you to sign up for our AM newsletter, and also to join us August 3rd and 4th for our next event, the AM Industry Summit, now featuring automotive as well as aerospace. So what those two industries will be able to learn from each other and just really continue to advance production additive manufacturing. So thank you very much to all of our award winners today, and thank you to all of you for joining us. There's still time to network, so get back out there in the exhibit hall and in the chats, and let's make the most of our day. Thanks again, and on behalf of ASME, our 100,000 members around the world, our entire organization, and my tremendously awesome industry events team, thanks for joining us today. We hope to see you soon. Take care.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.